Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a oil pressure sender on a Subaru Tribeca 2009. So as you can see, it's making a whole mess on the exhaust. So customer complains he was smelling oil burning. If you are struggling with automotive repair or diagnostic, I will be hosting a Q&A every week. The link down in the description. Please hit the link, then it will redirect you to where to register. Now back to the video. So on the Subaru, the oil pressure sender is located above the oil housing. The oil housing filter. As you can see, I was struggling remove the electrical connector. I think the socket I used was 21 or 22 thin wall. So I have a 21 thin wall socket. So the trick is try not to remove the coolant cooler hose above. So that's why I use the thin wall socket. As you can see right there, I was kind of moving a little bit by bit. It's like one click at a time. Then you use your finger to remove the oil pressure sender. So once the oil pressure sender removed, then you're gonna install a new one in by hand. So make sure you do not cross thread. It's a very bad idea for the. You don't want to get into another headaches once this thing is cross threading. It's take a lot of time to rejace it, and all kind of headaches. If you like the content, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for that. So as you can see, I use the needle nose vice grip, a small one. You work bit by bit to tighten it down. So once everything is installed, the last part is